Alright, yo, we got a fun one. It obviously is going to need the HDMI as well, but yeah, that. Let's dig in. Alright, we got the board prepped by removing the old port. Removed all the factory solder. Just got to get some fresh solder and the fresh port on. Let's move forward. Board prepped, port prepped. Let's get it on. Alright, that's the outcome on the pins. And there's the outcome on the posts. I ended up having to replace that piece too, that little cover that goes over the disk tray. Well, it's definitely far from perfect, but it looks a lot better. Let's test the port. Okay. Hey, there we go. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every little thing helps. We appreciate all the support. Store now open. Memberships available. Refurb units on the way.